So we're here in London today for the Learn session and we're talking with some clients about how to use the drag and drop editor.
It's great to come and meet the people that are running drag and drop, and it's much better sometimes face to face than always doing emails and queries over the phone. But it's good to see what other people are doing that are using it as well.
It's been really useful to be here today because it's good to sit with a group of people who are all doing very diverse things, so we can always learn from each other. And I picked up a few interesting tips today that I didn't know before.
Clients need something new and fresh that we don't have at the moment. So just being able to take a lot of our content and their content online, it's just it's going to change the way we run our business.
As they say, drag and drop, it is drag and drop. So quite happy to be working on it going forwards. It's going to make our life a lot easier. So yeah, it's been great to come here today.